Hey guys, welcome back to the Autohound. So here we are, we're driving a 2017 Lamborghini Huracan Spyder.
Give me about a minute and a half. All right, so put on the brake, flip up that, yep, hold it down.
That's ridiculous.
So we'll just...
So does this go down?
Yep, flip it down, exactly. So we're just gonna keep it in auto.
Yep.
First thing you'll do to put it in gear will be the right. The right one. So you can click that in. Nope. I'll put you in first gear. The rest of it's good to go. Click both of them together now. You're
neutral.
in neutral,
Yep.
and then we'll put it back in park just for now.
Okay.
And that's the rest of it. The rest of it, this will be your turn signal, left, right.
Okay.
The rest of it, it's just like driving a normal car. It's a little more expensive, a little bit faster.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm very excited.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah. For the convoy and...
Oh, cones. It's like autocross, but not. Sorry, autocross is like one of my favorite things. Jesus,
Oh, nice.
that's fast.
You into like F1 or anything?
No, I haven't gotten into F1. People like, oh, you should really watch it, and I just never got into it.
Gotcha. It's awesome.
But I heard that the Miami thing was just unbelievable.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
How long you been working for Haggerty's?
About 3 years.
Wow.
That right there, that SF.
Yeah, the Stradale, yeah.
Yeah. The person that drove the 488 just now, that's who owns that.
He was very nice. He opened up the hood, the engine bonnet for me.
Yeah.
It sits so low in the car.
His name's Neil Patel. He's one of our brokers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Big old traffic jam.
This is ridiculous.
Has anyone made it out of the parking lot?
All cars are out now.
Okay, yeah, just do the full route.
So was there highway driving in this, or?
No, nope.
Oops, I turned on these.
It's fine. Oh well.
Wow, that's very instant.
Responsive.
Yeah, that's the word. It's not like the GT3 at all.
No.
I thought it would be more GT3-like,
Yeah.
but no. Do you mind if we turn the volume, the radio off? I don't know where it is, so thank you.
We'll be taking a left here anyways, so. You are clear right, sir.
And clear left as well. Oh, she's got some get up and go.
Oh yeah.
Now, how many horsepower does this have?
So I'm more familiar with Ferraris. The Ferrari has about 650. This has less than that. So it has 570.
Nice. All right, I'm going to do a very quick thing on my channel here.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Autohound. So here we are, we're driving a 2017 Lamborghini Huracan Spyder with 570 horsepower. Does 0 to 60 at about, I would think, 3.5, 4 seconds. Quite an amazing car. Has a tremendously responsive throttle, and the steering wheel is just so nice. I like the flat part here on the bottom. You could switch it from Porsche to Strada to sport mode. So we're going to stick it in just Strada mode for right now. Strada for street in Italian. And hopefully you guys enjoy this little point of view drive of this first Lamborghini drive for me. So looking forward to it and go from there. Thanks. Yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
Well, because I just wanted to just give the one thing, but other than that, we could chat and all.
Okay.
I can edit out bits and pieces of the video.
No. Whatever you want. If you want me to talk, I can talk. If you don't want me to, I won't.
No, that's cool, Carl. Totally cool. Look, you got to do this all day long, and and as much as, first of all, seats, I didn't realize they'd be this comfortable.
You should get in the 488.
Really?
It's even better.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm a huge Ferrari fan comparative to the Lamborghini. What I always tell people, if you want to either race or have the most responsive, fastest point A to point B, go with the Ferrari. If you want to showboat and look good, you're gonna buy a Lamborghini. But yeah, that 488 would wax this thing all day.
Jeez. I drove the new BMW i4.
Okay.
Which was really amazing for an electric car. I just didn't think that it would be as amazing as it was.
Okay.
Last year I drove the M4 competition, which was another amazing car. And I'm not a BMW guy. I kind of think that, you know, the fronts don't look as good as they should.
Yeah.
It looks like a piece of chicken cut open and they butterflied it.
Right.
But the way the M3 was, it had the canards on the bottom, which made it look a little bit more aggressive. So I liked that. So I did that for my channel. And I did my own car, of course. It's been interesting to say the least.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
You know, here I am, you know, at my age, you know, 56 years old, I'm reviewing cars for, you know, a hobby, if you will.
Yeah.
I mean, I have a real full-time job, but, you know. Here's the narrow bridge you were talking about?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There, the rest of it's easy sailing. Do you have a pretty big YouTube platform or not?
Right now, honestly, 156 subscribers.
Okay.
But it's growing every day because I'm posting these point of view type videos.
Yeah.
And that's kind of what is attracting people.
Yeah.
What I do is I do a deep dive on the car itself.
Okay.
So I go over every little feature, gadget, you name it. I go over it somewhat similar to Doug DeMuro. And I don't know if you ever watched Tedward. He does the point of view drives, and that's where I got the idea from.
Okay.
So I figured I'd marry them both together because they say, I'm just going to just boost it a little bit. Wow. Okay, that's ridiculous. So I got the idea from him. They say if you don't, if you like something, steal it. Yeah. So I stole both ideas. I married them together.
Don't steal this.
No.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Not right now, Carl. We weren't supposed to talk about that on camera. I want to apologize for the POV. It was too low. However, I couldn't have anything obstructing my view. However, if you like this type of content, please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. And remember, it's about the drive.